In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Spotify can't play this right now. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, when Spotify drops the can't play this right now error banner on Windows 11, it means the app's local audio output stream has desynced from your hardware sound card, or a corrupted cache file is blocking the song decryption process. So what we want to do firstly is disable hardware acceleration. Launch the Spotify app, then click your profile icon on the top right, and then you're going to see settings as one of the options. Now scroll down to the absolute bottom and locate the compatibility section block. And then once you go ahead and find it, you just want to go ahead and find hardware acceleration right here. It's right at the bottom, and go ahead and disable it. Now click the restart app pop-up notification if it comes up, and if it doesn't, then just close Spotify and then reopen it again. Now what we also want to go ahead and do is press Windows R on your keyboard, and then we want to copy and paste this exact line that I'm going to put in. So you want to put in this percentage local app data percentage Spotify storage. Go ahead and press OK, and then obviously you're going to be there. And once you are, press Control A to highlight everything in the folder, and then just delete everything, and then you should be good to go. Now if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.